Tax time is upon us, so it's time to get your paperwork in order. Wanda Elledge and Anthony Howden are both tax consultants from SWH Advisory, and they're here to break down the basics of tax preparation, also some tips to consider in order to maximize your refund. So I've been talking about this a lot. The Affordable Health Care Act is affecting taxpayers this year, so I'm not sure which one of you would like to answer that question specifically, but there are a lot of challenges this year that are brand new.
Absolutely, yeah. The Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, affects all taxpayers. It's of utmost importance that all taxpayers let their tax preparer know whether or not they had health insurance in 2014. There could be instances where you may face a penalty if you didn't have insurance in 2014, and the tax preparer will help you with that. And there are other instances where you may qualify for a tax credit, depending on where your income level lies. It's very important that you go to a tax professional, as they'll be the best to help you in regards to navigating that.
This year more so than ever,
yes,
I think.
More so.
A lot of times I think folks are used to getting the easy form, and this year they may not be able to when they're expecting
Absolutely.
it. And Wanda, there's some tax credits that have expired. Can you tell us a little bit about those?
Actually,
was that you too?
That
okay. We will get to you, Wanda, I promise.
Actually, none of the tax credits have expired in 2014, surprisingly. For example, the American Opportunity Credit, which offers credit to college students, that's still in effect. Another major one are houses that may have been foreclosed on. There's something called the Principal Indebtedness Act, where the amount that has been forgiven, that you can write that off on your tax return as well.
Okay. All right. Let's talk about dependents a little bit. Can I go to you for that one?
Yes, absolutely.
Who can I claim? Who can I not claim?
Most of us know that we can claim our child on our tax return, but what you may not know is you can claim an elderly parent, a significant other, or other relative that may qualify as a qualifying dependent. There's examples where your child may be in high school or graduating from college. You still can claim them as a dependent on your tax return, even though they are in college.
What if they're living at home with you after the age of 25? No, I'm just kidding. I'm sure that applies to a lot of folks who are watching, but that's not necessarily one of those situations. And then also some tax benefits for parents. Is there anything that, folks need to know about, and maybe you're a new parent?
Yes. Each child offers a tax deduction of roughly under $4,000. In addition to that, there are three main credits offered by the government. There's the child tax credit, the earned income credit, and the child and dependent care credit. Again, talking to a tax preparer will help determine if you can claim, who you can claim on your tax
I was going to say,
return.
that's a lot of information. It sounds like stuff that folks will definitely need to know, but may need to ask some questions from a professional such as yourself.
Absolutely.
Some tips here we want to mention January 20th is the first day to file, and then February 2nd, the deadline for employers to mail out those W-2s. As you mentioned, the health care coverage, the Affordable Care Act could impact your taxes, will impact your taxes this year for 2014. And charitable donation receipts. Hopefully folks have held on to those.
Yeah, for 2014. That's important.
Okay, excellent. Most importantly, go see a professional. We will post some information on our website at foxbaltimore.com. Good luck to both of you. I'm sure things are getting much, much busier this time of year
as the weeks
for you
go by,
both.
yes.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you for being here with us this morning.